Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add location on Snapchat story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is first of all you're gonna go ahead access a particular Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Now once you have access to a particular Snapchat, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and create yourself a snap, right? So let's say we have tapped on it and now our snap is ready. And afterwards, if you would like to add a particular destination or location, we're going to tap on this little sticker icon on top right side of in this icon section here in this third, and now we'll get this kind of interface. You can see on top we have mention, sounds, and location right over here. If we tap on it, we will get to choose a location right from the recommendation of the places, or we can tap on search and we can simply write down at the location and search it up. Now you can see we have all the recommendation came up. If you know the exact one, simply type it in, otherwise you can simply tap on this one, and now our location is just right over there. We can simply place it wherever we want according to our need and tap on this next, and now we're done. That is the way you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.